What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? Time to charge those batteries and get that money printer out. We are headed to the moon to stack chips and get paid out. Now, on this channel, no baby stepping, no line stepping, no loose talk, no second thoughts, and definitely no maybes. And like I always say, green lights to the beach, baby. All right, if it's your first time on the channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit like on the video, and select all so that you get the content, okay? Welcome to the wheelhouse. All right, so yesterday we had a good day. All indexes were up. I was worried about the Russell. I was wrong. It came through. Quite impressively, actually. We had on the S&P, went up 2.07%. The Dow 1.4, the NASDAQ 3.03, and the Russell 2.05. Incredible. Sea of green, literally green lights to the beach. I personally did a lot of trading, got a lot of money back from that little dip that we had, that little shakeout, and traded in and out very tight with the system. And, on one of them, I got in low, it rolled all the way up, and I put an alert out that I sold. I said I'm selling at the all-time high of the day right after it dropped $5. So I was really glad I did that. I did that on multiple things, bought multiple things. Seeing a lot of bullish indicators moving around. A lot of things are going to bullish, even on the daily, which I'm really excited about. I did pick up some stuff for my long term. We'll go over that. We'll look at some technicals. And even the after hours is looking decent, and there's a little rally at the end. So let's go take a look at the trading view. All right. So yesterday morning, I put out a video before the market opened, and I had said that the night before I spent about 3 hours. I went through hundreds of charts, and it was kind of thin picking, but I did find premium technicals that looked really bullish to accelerate. And although the whole market did go green, the whole list on premium technicals, minus one or two, I think, minus two, went green. So let's just thumb through them real quick and just see where they are. As I told you to put them on your watch list yesterday, we'll let you know how they're looking today real quick, and then we'll go through some other charts and just there's a lot of stuff to choose. There's a lot of stuff to buy in, but you want to buy in technically on momentum. And remember, Friday morning at 8:30 a.m. is the CPI report. So I'm sure there's going to be quite a sell-off Thursday afternoon. I'm going to be recommending to all of my Jedis and Padawans and Discord members to set really tight stops or to just take profits Thursday afternoon. Depends on the situation. Every situation is a little different. I do think that inflation is going to come in hot. Hopefully it's priced in, but the markets are they're so erratic. You might as well hold on to your profit and then just rebuy back into momentum, I suppose. Anyways, let's take a look. So Affirm did really, really good. It's kind of forming this shoulder head, and it had a breakout today, and it's not bullish quite yet on the daily on the cloud. But it did have a breakout. It's showing it had good volume. This was really good. The vortex is about to cross. That's why I didn't buy it. I'm just waiting. This already crossed. This has not crossed, and this is still red. But by tomorrow it should be. So I think if it is a shoulder, head, and shoulder, and then comes down, I'm probably just going to ride it up for a swing before it tops out and just get out. Now, if it doesn't do the other shoulder and it kind of does like a bull flag and then runs, which it could very well do, then we'll ride it up higher. So I think Affirm is really good. I had bought Affirm at like 30 or 33 before anybody knew on YouTube. I mean, they didn't know until it exploded, but I called it 3 days before the earnings call about the Amazon. And I did that based on technicals, and I put it in the group, and a lot of people grabbed it. They were blown away. The thing jumped like massively. I got out with a profit and looking to re-enter. I think it's a good time. Keeping an eye on that. Marvell, I've told you guys a long time ago over here, Marvell, we should grab it. Bullish, 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 and bullish. Marvell is running. It's a great one. This is one I might pick up tomorrow. I made an alert for a breakout, all-time high breakout. Volume looks good. bullish, 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 and bullish, 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 and bullish. So Fang's looking good. I like it. I like the creme de la creme technicals. I like the premium. I don't like playing around with like, stuff under the 200, under the burden of the red ribbon. I do like to establish a double pivot, maybe even 3, establishing a floor. There's certain things that I look for, and then they go up. I know the patterns of charts. I know technicals really well, and I've been doing this a long, long time. In fact, if you want to learn technical analysis or completely learn everything about the markets, I have a really, really good course on how to understand the markets, how to navigate the markets, how to trade, how to swing trade, how to day trade, how to invest. It's a thorough course. It is really, really good. It's very inexpensive. And, if you don't know, I used to be a CIO, CEO of 3 global companies. I was retired. And I decided to do this because I was a little bit bored, and B, I just felt like a lot of people needed help, And so I kind of set up the YouTube and ran with it, set up the Discord, and now I got the courses going, and there's a lot of people in there. It's really fun. You don't have to pay for anything. You can just come in. I invite you in, and you can meet everybody. You can kind of be around other traders, have some fun. If you decide to upgrade to Palawan, it's $49 a month. You get all my trade alerts. Today I hit 100%, 100 out of 100, baby. Hit them all, and I'm going to continue to do that. I got a system, a process, and I'm about to crush the game. So if you just want the alerts and you want to follow that, you can do that. If you want to upgrade for the Wheelhouse Wednesday, and by the way, Padawan gets Wheelhouse Wednesday too. And that's a group training on Wednesday nights. It's really fun. We all get together and hang out. It's a lot of fun. But if you upgrade to Jedi, you get the Wheelhouse Wednesday. You get one-on-one coaching with me, 10 one-hour sessions. Okay. Plus, you get all the courses, you get access to all the areas, and you will be a savage when you're done. I mean, the stuff I teach you, how to short, how to spot market tops, how to spot bottoms, all these techniques, a lot of different trading techniques. I mean, so many things that nobody's talking about is in these courses. You will literally excel your trading and investing journey to like no end. It's really remarkable what you'll learn. Okay, moving back to charts. NXPI, it's at an all-time high. One of the Jedis brought this up, and I really liked it. You have a reverse head and shoulders, okay, and that usually is really bullish, and look at it go. I mean, breakout, volume looks good, bullish, 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 bullish. I mean, NXPI, man, and it's in that sector that's hot. I'm liking it, feeling it. This is another Jedi mentioned to me. I never even heard of it. It's called Stram and Company. I actually added it to the premium technicals because it met all qualifications, and lo and behold, it went up after. On semiconductor, if you guys have been watching the channel, I've been running this back and forth, ran it, got out, ran it, got out, ran it, got out. I'm about to run it again. LPX, we like this one. I mentioned it yesterday and in multiple videos. This is an infrastructure play. They do forest products, lumber, wood for like construction. I mean, it's just, look at the beautiful blue ribbons above the 200. It didn't get dinged too much in the dip. Everything is bullish. Everything's holding up. This is one from the leaderboard. It's called Builder. Again, hit an all-time high. Volume going in the direction of price action. Everything is good. This one's not ready. This one is about to be ready. So, I mean, this is like a tomorrow thing. Apple, man, I hit this Apple 3 times perfect. I told you guys to buy the breakout. Boom, we hit it. We got out right there. Missed this one. Hit it. Got out right there. Missed that one. Hit it. And I actually sold today. And then it dropped. And the reason I did that, okay, it was not the easiest choice because bullish, 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 very bullish, bullish. But actually, now I'm realizing maybe I made a little mistake. Is it up in the after hours? It is up a little in the after hours. Okay. When I sold it the first time, I noticed that we were stair-stepping down in volume while we were going up, and the RSI was way up here. And the last time it did that, it fell really hard. Okay, now I wasn't so worried about the RSI, although it is the second peak. So right here, if you notice, all the way across here, here, and here, were also dipped. So I took that under consideration. Everything's really bullish about Apple. You don't have to sell it. I'm just trying to like get in, collect money, move it to the side, and then take my next trade. Earlier in the day, this was stair-stepping down, and it was moving up, and that usually means that it's going to breathe for a day or so. So, I can always rebuy. But honestly, Apple, there's nothing wrong with it. I just, after that last dip and CPI coming out, I just move fast. I just have a way of getting in and out. I buy in on the daily bullish, and I'm out on a certain specific things on the hourly. I mean, I just move fast, okay? That's why you guys should get my alerts. Iridium, I really like what I'm seeing on Iridium. Bullish, good volume. Moved to the blue cloud on the daily, big one. Breakout coming tomorrow. Look, we can go through all of it, but we only got so much time. I mean, everything I said in yesterday's video went up more. Let's go take a look at some of my stuff. Okay, now I don't own a firm, but I'm going to be picking it up. The reason I didn't pick up a firm today when it was at 123 was just because I'm waiting for this line to cross this line and this line to cross this line. And we did get a breakout, and we're still kind of thick on the red. So, and again, I think it's a shoulder, head, shoulder. So whether it's a impulse bull flag run or another shoulder, I'm just going to run it for a swing, okay? I just like to stack chips on these good movers, okay? And Affirm's also a very good company. A lot of times you'll notice when I do swings, I'll buy kind of expensive stocks. I don't mind spending $400 a share or buying a Google or an Amazon, because if something goes wrong and I'm stuck with it, it's Amazon or Google or Microsoft or Apple or Goldman Sachs. So I don't really, in a firm, I mean, so I'm okay like that. I don't like playing, you know, the little ones that are a little less expensive, only because I was trained not to really mess with stocks that were under 20 bucks. They tend to fall apart and they get sold off the fastest, and the high volatility going up can mean high volatility going down. So I guess as you've been in the markets a long time, you get a little older maybe, and you get a little gray in your beard, you want a little resiliency, a little safety, and a little, you know, that's why I tell all the guys in the Discord, I tell all the Jedis, I'm like, guys, stop scalping on the 1 minute. Wait till the ribbons go blue on the hourly. Like, here, I'll just show you. So as an example, if you come over to the hourly, and like, you know, the hourly, if you get it to go like to blue ribbons on the hourly, they tend to run for a while and you'll make money. But if you do it on the minute, you're not making a lot of money. You can in crypto do it on the minute, but at least be bullish, at least to the hour on trading for stocks. So like as an example, right here, if you bought in on the blue ribbon, it was a 111, and you sold on the red ribbon, it's 157. That's a good gain. But I teach you actually how to get out up here at 161, so you make $4 more. But I mean, that's what I'm trying to kind of get across to people, is like, it's not a bad idea to wait for everything to establish a bottom, get bullish on the, sorry, I got my cat down here just like trying to get my attention. What's that, Lotus? So yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea to wait for things to go bullish on the daily and then come down to the hourly and, you know, have a system to, you know, get out, or maybe on the daily and then get out on the 4 hour. There's nothing wrong with that, you know. It's just a tighter system. So what do we got here? Clean Spark, it's related to crypto, did really good today, 7.92%. DVAX, it's a hepatitis one that I'm in, went up 7.92. NXPI, I'm not in it. I've been trading it, but I'm not in it. I'm going to get back in it. The only reason I put Beyond Meat in here is because it actually went bullish. I haven't seen this thing go bullish in like, I don't know, months. It's crazy. It actually went bullish here. It's about to go here. It already did here. It already did here. It already did here. And it's about to. So I don't know. Did it find a bottom? I don't know. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. Crocs, one of my favorites. I love it. It's a leader. Not quite bullish here, but I'm already in it. I'm pretty heavily invested in this right now. And I'm right about even. I'm down just a tiny bit. I think I bought this right here, but I think I bought it over here, and then it went up and it kind of fell through that week, and it'll come back because it's a leader. It's one of the best stocks out of all the stocks in the entire stock market. This is literally, I think the RS rating on this is 98. And the highest is 100. So that means that it outperforms 98% of all the stocks in the entire stock market. Tesla is making lower highs. Red Cloud needs to make a decision. It's not quite bullish. Did go up. It's going to take a few days to go up. I think this is the third day in a row, second or third day. And I believe it created almost like a mini doji, which is super bullish. So I think if you go to the 8-hour, you're probably already bullish. No, you're not. Yeah, it's because it dropped so much that it's going to take, yeah, on the 6-hour, you are bullish. So it's coming. It's coming. So I'm getting ready. I do have a lot of Tesla, but I'm not trading it right now. So we'll get back in there. Again, Apple looks great. Goldman Sachs really wanted to get it. Yesterday when I made that video, it was kind of like a 50-50, 60-40. It wasn't quite ready, but I put it in the premium technical saying it was about to be ready. Well, one good day as today, and it is ready. Boom, 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 boom. We got the cloud, the candle, just need the ribbon. Now you're 90% sure that it's bullish. Goldman Sachs is definitely, I'm going to be adding to that. Microsoft, back in it. I mean, I already had it in my long term, but I told you guys that I got this swing right here. I traded it and I got out before the dip, and then I rebought it in yesterday, and I made money yesterday and today. Just now going bullish on the vortex, bullish, about to go bullish, about to go bullish. Hopefully we'll go bullish. Good volume. Microsoft's a winner. You can't really go wrong with it. Neo needs some work, but it's creating this doji, which is positive. I picked up Visa today for my long term, and the reason why is because we're bullish. You actually got 2 days of histograms on the MACD and a good cross. Stochastic, vortex, the RSI is outperforming. Good volume. The cloud turned blue. It looks like a nice pivot. I actually picked it up. I've been wanting it for my long term for a very long time. This was a wonderful opportunity for me because I've been watching it for years, and I've had it before, and I made a little bit of money with it. Then I had it one other time, and it just kind of fell on me. I got it in here, and I got out, and it just kind of fell, and I've been waiting. And that's why I've been keeping an eye on it. And I mentioned it yesterday, and boom, it hit here, doji. 3 follow-through days and a breakout. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for, and then everything went bullish. Boom. I also picked up Disney. Still a little risky, but I got my follow-throughs. I got my volume, bullish, and the cloud is now turning on the daily. Still under the pressure of the 200 and the ribbon, but I like it, and I like Disney, and I already owned it, but I added 200 more shares to my long-term, and I'm really excited because I think Disney is a wonderful company, and it's great for long-term, and hopefully they bring that dividend back. Let's just go take a look at some of my long-term stuff. So Coinbase went up $23.18 today, 8.81. Nvidia, $23.90 with a big breakout come in. Shopify went up $92.39. Square went up $9.79. We'll see if that's a turnaround. It's not quite bullish on the daily, but this is a good start. Tesla up $42.74. Apple up $5.86, PayPal up $6.16, Google up $84.80, Amazon up $95.92, Goldman Sachs up $10.81, Microsoft $8.73, McDonald's had a breakout today, all-time high, $4.12, Facebook coming back from the dead, baby, $4.94. Look at that candle. Dirty. It was getting good. It got worse. It was getting real good. We were about to turn, and then it boom. And then we came down, and we made it up through 2 resistances. Facebook's coming back. Airbnb is one I love. I picked that up at 129, 130, somewhere in there, really low at the bottom. And I've just been sitting on it. And it's going bullish tomorrow morning for sure. These 3 are already bullish. This thing's heading back up to the 212, I think it used to be at. Airbnb did good, $2.29. Bitcoin was up a little higher today at 50, almost 52. It's down at close to 51. It's doing better. We'll watch it. Disney, I already told you about that. I got the turnaround added. Johnson & Johnson, great stable company. I think it might have had kind of a double bottom. I was watching it and was going to grab more today. I put it in the group, and I didn't end up buying more today because I got very focused on I wanted a firm, and I was just really mulling a lot of things over from the political landscape to technicals, and just trying to just trade perfectly. And like I had mentioned in multiple videos, when you have too many open trades going on, trade management in this environment is critical, and you kind of want to have a plan, and part of my plan is not to overtrade. So I didn't grab more Johnson & Johnson, even though it would have been for long term. But it had a big day yesterday, and it's up today, and it got a blue cloud, and it's turning the corner. And I think if it goes above that 200, I'm going to feel pretty good walking up into either this resistance or this breakout. It has a long way to go back up to the top at 180, so looking good. Home Depot, you can't lose with Home Depot. Like, Home Depot is just like crushing the game. Walmart. If you guys haven't been in the stock market a long time, I'm going to tell you a little secret. Walmart is like such a good stock right now to buy in December because their first quarterly earnings that they come out with next year is going to be like massive because it always is, okay? It always is. So if you buy Walmart now, which is low, by the way, you should buy it. One more follow through day would be suggested. I think that would be smarter. You're close, but Walmart's low, and this is what I know from being in the market for a long time. If you buy Walmart in like November, December, when they have their quarterly earnings, their first one, they crush the game because of Christmas. I mean, they destroy that earnings every single year. So what happens is you buy it now when it's low, and then you wait for that earnings, and then it comes out, and it just blows up. It's always blows up, and you get a whole rally, and you can make a bunch of money. And plus it's Walmart, like it's not going anywhere. It's one of the biggest companies, and so yeah, right now, I mean, not right now. I'd like to give it one more day. We like seeing 3 blue candles, and this is kind of thick, but I mean, and look, they have a dividend coming, so maybe you do want to get in that pretty quick. I don't want you guys to be risky, but look, it was up at 152.57 this year, way up here. So I mean, it's a good one. And I mean, as you can see, look at these numbers, $23, $24, $92, $10, $45, or $43, sorry, $6, $6, $85, $95, 200. Oh, that's Bitcoin. And then plus the trading, I mean, crushed the game today. But I'm not going to make a ton of money and then wait for Friday to have Jerome Powell say something and then the news blow it up and take 90% of that money. So I'm probably going to be vigilant with tight stops, and I'm going to be, careful. I don't mind. I'm not emotional with my trading. I'm just emotional about losing money and emotional about making money. So I don't mind if I have to get out the night before Thursday night, let that stuff happen, and then maybe it settles down in the, later in the day, and then I just, grab in on that momentum and just buy everything right back and just skip the BS, right? So that's kind of it. I just want to go through some technicals. We're on point right now. Wheelhouse is killing it. Get in that Discord, subscribe, select all, like the video, make me a comment. Tell me what you want me to do. I can do a crypto video. I can do whatever you guys want. And seriously, just jump in that Discord, click the link. Get in there for free if you want to upgrade. If you're struggling, if you've been losing money, I can guide you. I can help you. I can coach you. And I've been doing it a long time, and the courses are phenomenal. I don't think there's anything out there like this, what I'm showing you guys. So, yeah, just do that, and I hope to see you. My name is Chris, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.